and the country have been saying again and again that government needs to respect court orders. And now, I was expecting the public, and especially you in the media, to equally hold the doctors to the same threshold of responsibility that you hold us. How can court orders be flouted, that the strike is suspended, not once, not twice, 3 times? But if it was government, that could have been a different story. I did not find equal voices from the media and from the public, from civil society, that keeps asking government, why are you not respecting court orders? Why are you not holding these people if we want to have a country that is ruled by the rule of law? My third regret is I have been around several cabinet ministers for health. I was around Mailu, I was around Macharia, I was around Mutahi Kagwe. And in those regimes, there were industrial actions. But for those ministers, matters were restricted to the issues at hand. But for my sister here, it is the first time I've seen a lot of personalization of